This is my pretty much completed Sachs 5051D motor. Last week's video covered the extensive process of putting the main body of the motor together. Today we're going to focus on the much simpler, if not easier, system of the clutch. The automatic clutches on these Sachs motors are a point of contention. They use a weighted donut to put pressure on the clutch bell to engage the drive system. It's kind of a strange way to do it, and of course it has a host of problems. We might go into those in a future video. It depends on how extensive of a modification I want to do on the clutch, if it turns out that it can't do its job well enough. Today we're just going to make sure that we have all the parts and that they are put back together in the right order. First is the clutch bell, the ramp plate, and the donut spring. After that comes the clutch plate assembly. Now I do need to make sure that the clutch plates are installed in the right order, and either I took them out wrong or they weren't installed correctly, so I checked them against the manual in order to get them right. Once all the clutch plates are in, I can add a washer and the nut. Before starting the engine, I'm going to probably have to check the preload, but as I'm a few months away from starting it, I'll just add in the lever for now. The lever goes onto the axle, and there's a set screw to set the load on the engagement bell. The shaft, which has a hole for the engagement belt in the end of it, had a little nick, so I cleaned that up with a small file before the belt would slip into its spot. The lever has a spring at the bottom that gets hooked into place, and with a little finagling, it all goes in nicely. I'll leave the gasket off for now, as this will be open again before it gets started. I also need to install a new clutch cable. That's it for this week. It's a short video, I know. Next week, we're going to cover the magneto, and after that, it's on to tearing apart the wheels, the fork, and to start refurbishing the frame. We're getting really close to starting to build the bike up again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and leave a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe.